Hello everyone, welcome back once again. Here is another competitive exam question which says the figure below has been obtained by folding a rectangle. Figure is 144 square meters. Had the rectangle not been folded, the current overlapping part would have been a square. What would have been the total area of the original unfolded rectangle? So let's see how to solve this question. So this is the given figure and this part is the overlapping part of the given figure. So when we unfold the sheet, it will become something like this, and this is the square which is overlapping and making a triangle. So area of this triangle will be equal to this triangle. So let's find the area of this triangle. So if this is 6, this will be 6 and this is 6 because sheet is rectangle. So area of triangle we know is 1 by 2 base into height. Now base of triangle is 6 meter and height is 6 meter. So this will become 1 by 2 6 into 6, or this can be written as 3 into 6, that is 18 meters square. So the total area of original unfolded rectangle will be area that is given plus area that is overlapped. So that is 144 plus 18, which is 162 meters square. So I hope this was very easy to understand. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel for more such questions. Thanks for watching.